Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, from Miss Keep a Braid to becoming a braider, and today we are finishing this doll head. I'm so excited. So in the beginning, what you just saw there, I practiced a knotless braid against my better judgment, but my homegirl I had to phone a friend to see what was I not grasping, and she just wanted me to try it, and I didn't get to record it because we was doing it on FaceTime. So that's just a little example or a little sample of what the knotless is giving. But she also told me what I was doing with my braids. I was trying to do the feed-in method and things like that. But she was like, that's basically 2-in-1 braids, if you know what I mean. So I was trying to do 2 braids in one instead of just doing a regular box braid and then feeding in the hair when needed. And basically with the size of the braids that I was doing, I didn't need to feed in the hair like I was doing, or I was adding too much hair and it was coming out looking a little janky. But so I just decided to do some regular box braids just to get the doll head completed, because it has been a long time coming and I'm ready to do something else. I'm ready to do a full style, basically, to see what it would be giving. So this is me on the last 2 rows. I did a lot of these braids off camera. I got the technique down for sure. Everything is looking good, especially starting from the first braid, even on the other side versus this side that I'm on now. I just already can tell the difference. But overall, throughout this whole journey, what I find fascinating is how I caught on so fast. And even my homegirl said it. She was like, you caught on faster than most people. And my technique, I already got the technique. I'm just basically cleaning up and perfecting as I go and stuff like that. Even with my fingers. Like, if y'all notice in the video that I'm using all my fingers on my hand and stuff like that. So basically to hold the hair strings or hold the hair strands and stuff like that, versus some people, they'll just use their thumb, index, and middle finger to move the hair and hold the hair and things like that. So even with that, you see how my hands is crouched. And I can already feel the carpal tunnel or the arthritis starting in them. So even with the video, throughout the video, you'll see me slowly using my thumb, index, and middle finger on both hands. And I really love that about how fast that I caught on to this stuff. And it's kind of therapeutic to me. So that's what motivates me to keep going, because I know I can do it. Look how fast I caught on, and the braids are looking very, very neat. So here we down to the last row, and everything is just looking up. Look at my parts. Look at the grip that I have. She also told me that I need to work on getting the braid in the middle of the base braid or the base box. And so, yeah, it's just the small things. Yeah, the little things. I just love it so much. And see, from this angle, you can see what I'm talking about when I say all fingers working. See how my ring finger and my pinky finger was holding the hair strands. Throughout the video, I slowly gravitated to just using my thumb, index finger, and my middle finger instead of just having my all fingers balled up, if you know what braiders know what I mean. And this is what the girlies be talking about when they say those last few braids take you through there, because I did get a little bit too much dip on my chip and I started just going. But of course I had to go back and correct myself, because we at the very finish line. We can't start messing up now. This is what I mean when I say I started using my thumb, middle finger, and index finger. So you can see see a little there. And we at the very last braid here. Let's go, girl. Can't stop, won't stop. Get guap, guap, guap. I mean, when I tell you my fingers was feeling it, I'm gonna have to start working my fingers. Do they got workouts for fingers? And we are done. What are we talking about? The very first versus the very last braid. We gotta knot this braid in here. Knotless. We're gonna take these down and do knotless. I might just do a whole, I don't know, girl, what I'm doing next. Here we are, face to face. Hey, please don't mind the singing. I forgot I started busting out singing. Yeah, all kind of colors. The commentary from this video. But don't tell nobody. Yeah. Your girl can really sing. You cooking with some gas, Your girl can really blow. I'm a Jill of all trades, bro. Jill of all skills. Parts. Sometimes it makes me. And this is why I have to keep going. Just noticing the difference from one side to the next. Oh, girl. The only way is up from here. This is just the very beginning. We got one level down. We have many more to go. Thank y'all for joining as always. And I'll see y'all next time.